kind of sticking to the, the beater a little bit. Cream cheese frosting. It is the essential recipe for so many desserts, like carrot cake, red velvet cake, banana cake, and it's so much better than using plain vanilla frosting. Again, I'm gonna show you a super easy method to make cream cheese frosting that's going to be way better than the store-bought version. Once we master the basic recipe, I'll show you 3 methods to make the same recipe using lemon, cinnamon, and strawberry. So let's get started. We want to make sure that these ingredients are softened to room temperature so that way they cream together properly. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of butter. We also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to beat it together on a low speed to make sure everything comes together properly. Now that we have our mixture beaten, we want to add in 4 cups of powdered sugar right here. I did not sift mine. You don't necessarily need to sift your powdered sugar before you add it in, but if you want to, it might help prevent some of the clumping. So I have most of the powdered sugar in, and I'm just going to hand stir the last bit. All right, and here we have cream cheese frosting. Now that I made my plain cream cheese frosting, I'm going to show you 3 super fun ways to flavor it. First, I'm going to make a lemon cream cheese frosting. All I need to do is add in some freshly squeezed lemon juice, as well as a little bit of lemon zest. Next, we're gonna make a cinnamon cream cheese frosting. So I have some freshly ground cinnamon here, and I'm just gonna mix a little bit in. And then the last one I'm going to make is a strawberry cream cheese frosting. And I'm gonna lightly mash them with a fork. Add a little bit of this strawberry mash into my cream cheese frosting. Really delicious, super appetizing. Okay, now that I'm done, let's go frost these on some baked desserts. And I'm going to just pour a little bit on the top of this lemon cake. You can see some of the lemon zest on the top, which is really pretty as well. One really easy way to dress this up is to use the back of your spoon and to use this swooping motion to create swoops on the top of the cake. So just swirl the back of the spoon around and move around the cake. So I have a round tip in a piping bag and start pushing out the icing and leaving the center of my tip in this dollop of icing. And once I feel like it's completely filled out, I'm gonna stop squeezing and pull out. And you get this nice round dome of icing, and it's a really great placement if you want to put a piece of fruit on top or even some sprinkles. Next, I have a strawberry loaf cake that I'm going to decorate with the strawberry icing. So this icing is a little more loose because of the juices from the strawberry. So I'm just going to actually pour this out on top. Honestly, with this one, the messier the better. There you have it. You're going to be a cream cheese frosting expert now. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The full recipe is in the video link, as well as on myfoodfamily.com. I'm gonna have a brownie now.